Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your profile picture on WhatsApp on PC or a laptop, because as you probably know, WhatsApp can also be used on Windows computers, Macs and so on and so forth, not only on mobile. So let us guide you through it and show you how this can be achieved. So what you want to do is launch the WhatsApp application on your computer or on your laptop. And what you will need to do, guys, is click into profile here in the bottom left corner. And after that, you will see that thumbnail of you will see your profile picture here. So simply click into that pencil icon, select remove image if you'd like to remove it, view image if you'd like to view it, or change image if you'd like to change it. And after that, simply locate the given profile picture on your device. So let me go really quickly with this channel's logo. Let me find it really quickly. There you go, channel logo. And yeah, upload it, and there you go. As you can see, your profile picture has been changed, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.